Hello and welcome to Robinson Tech World. Today we will learn some of the useful text functions in MS Excel. So we'll start with how to extract characters from a string. For that there are around three functions. First one is write. So let's see how to use write function. So the formula is equal to write text. From this text we need to extract the string. You select this one D4, comma, how many characters you want to extract it from the right side, that means from this side. So let's say we'll start with 1 and see the result. See N. So from this cell D4, from the right side, first character is selected. If you change it to say 5, run, say 10, starting from N, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 children. So this is how you use the right. So that means from the right side how many characters you want to extract it. So it will be displaying in this one. So next function is left. This is right. Now next is left. Just opposite of right is left. So we'll put equal to left. Same from this text, comma, how many, say 2, KE, first KE, like that. If we make it 10, Ken and Scott, see you need to put 13. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So this is how you extract from the left side. So let's see what if you want to extract something from the middle. For that the function is mid. So equal to mid. This is the text, and next variable is from starting, where it has to start. For example, we want to start it from, say if we want to extract Scott, so Scott is starting from where? From here 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So say 7, and next comma, next is how many characters you want to extract. For example, in this case Scott 1 2 3 4 5, so just say 5. In fact it is 8, starting is 8. So now it's correct, Scott. For example, if you want to extract this 10, instead of 8, 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17, starting from 17, 3 characters, sorry, 18, 3 characters, it is 10. So this is how you use the mid function for extracting characters from a string. Next one is how to find the position of a portion of a string in a sentence or string. For example, if you want to see in this text, Scott is starting from which position. To find that one, the function is find. What do you want to find? Scott. For that, XCOTT in quotes, we need to find it here, and just this enter. Scott is starting from 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. See, from 8. For example, if you want to select 10, just put here 10. It is 18. We used previously how to extract character. We can combine both to make a function formula. To extract 10 is equal to mid of D4. D4 is this from this text, from this cell. We need to find 10 and 3. It should be like this. For example, Scott. You can change the formula here. SCOTT. How many Scott is 1, 2, 3, 5? So here 5. Scott. How you use the function mid and find. For example, if you want to see the length of entire characters in this cell, formula is LEN, length of text. For example, this one, comma. So it has total 29 characters including the space. Next, another useful function of a text function in Excel is if you want to replace something within that string. For example, in this cell, Kenneth Scott has 10 children. We need to replace 10 with say 2. How to do that? For that, there is a function called substitute, equal to substitute text, this one, comma. What do you need to substitute? You need to, for example, here we need to replace 10, comma, with the new one. What say 2. Close the bracket. See, now you can see that Kenneth Scott has 2 children. Instead of 10, it is 2 now. So the function is substitute is equal to substitute. First, what you want to substitute? From which text? From this here. What do you want to substitute? We want to substitute 10 and replace with the new one. What is the new one? 2, and close the bracket. As 2 children. So this is what substitute is all about. Another useful function, which is not a function actually, it is a feature in Excel, is to separate 2 strings. For example, here we need to replace it with here we need to change it to first name and last name. For that, we need to highlight this cell like this, and from here, from the menu, go to data, and from here you go all the way to here, text to columns. Click that one. You'll get a window wizard. You need to choose delimited and click next. It delimited, and there is an option. So for this is asking which one you need is delimited. Delimited means what it separates, first string and second string. In this case, in our case, this is a space, so you choose space. Automatically you can see that 2 line, there is a line in between. Click next, and destination, where you want it just delete this one, destination, and click here and click the first cell. For example, under first name C2, then click here, then finish. See, now you have this all the names into columns, first name and last name is separate. I'll show you once again, very easy. First you highlight, go to data, go to text to column. You need to select the first, delimited, then next you need to select the space. In our case it is space, and click next, and destination, where this output to be. So click clear that one, and just click on the right side, click the first cell and finish. So that's all about text functions in MS Excel. Hope you all like this small tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please press the like button. Also, if you didn't subscribe this channel yet, please kindly subscribe this channel, and don't forget to press the bell button next to the subscribe button, so that you will be getting notified. Also, please share this video and put your valuable comments below. Thank you.